Today, I'm going to teach you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. This is incredibly useful when project timelines shift or team members change, allowing you to quickly update your workflow without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account if you manage multiple workspaces. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look at your panel on the left side of the screen and click on Spaces. This will display all the spaces available in your workspace. From here, click on the specific space where your project is located. Spaces in ClickUp help organize different areas of work, so selecting the right one ensures you're working with the correct tasks. Once you're inside your chosen space, navigate to and click on your list. This list contains all the tasks you need to manage and modify. It's important to select the correct list since you might have multiple lists within a single space. Now, to remap due dates, you'll need to switch to the Gantt view. Look for the view options at the top of your screen and select Gantt view. This view gives you a visual timeline of all your tasks, making it much easier to see dependencies and adjust deadlines accordingly. In the Gantt chart, you'll notice a green bar at the top representing your task timeline. To remap the due dates, simply click and drag this green bar to your desired new time frame. ClickUp is very intuitive here, allowing you to visually adjust dates rather than manually entering new ones. After dragging the bar to the new position, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the change. Click on Move Anyway to finalize the remapping. This ensures that all associated tasks shift accordingly to reflect the new timeline. Next, let's move on to reassigning tasks. Switch back to List View by selecting it from the view options at the top. The List View provides a clear, organized table of all your tasks and their details. In this view, locate the assignee column. This column shows who is currently responsible for each task. To reassign a task, first find the task you want to modify. If there's a current assignee that needs to be removed, simply hover over their name and click the X or close icon to remove them from that task. Once removed, click on the assignee field again and a drop-down menu will appear showing all available team members. Choose the person you want to reassign the task to by clicking their name. And that's it. You've successfully remapped due dates and reassigned tasks in ClickUp, giving you full control over your project management and team allocation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.